A very good morning to all of you. Our group name is Chill Pills. Myself, Chavi Rangdale, and my group members are Ayushi Yelgurwar, Aram Khan, Himanshi Chute, and Manya Bhasin. Today, we are going to explain the structure and uses of phenol, cresol, resorcinol, and naphthols. Now, the explanation will continue by my friend Himanshi.
Hello everyone, my topic is phenols, structure and uses. Phenols are compounds containing OH group directly attached to the benzene ring. Phenols are derived from benzene and propylene. Its IUPAC name is benzenol. Chemical formula is C6H5OH. Phenol is more soluble in water than alcohol. It has higher boiling point. Pure phenols is used in certain medical procedures and as an ingredient in numerous and laboratory applications. A phenol injection helps limit the signal sent from your nerves to your muscles that cause contraction. This allows you to move more easily and
Your voice is
selflessly.
cracking, dear.
Phenols is Phenols is commonly used in surgeries for ingrown toenails. The phenol in the form of trichloroacetic acid is used to stop the nail from growing back. Phenol is used as a preservative. It at least four vaccines. First is Pneumonovax 23 for conditions like pneumonia and meningitis. Second is Typhim BI for typhoid fever. Third is ACAM 2000 for smallpox. Fourth is 2-phenol oxyethanol is used in the vaccine IPOL for polio. Next part explained by my colleague Aram Khan.
Uses of phenol. Phenol is used in some throat sprays that can help numb your throat and relieve symptoms caused by a sore throat or irritation in mouth. These products are used as a short-term treatment for symptoms of laryngitis. Phenol liquid is often used in molecular biology with trichloromethane and chloroform. It is used to separate RNA, DNA, or proteins and isolate them in pure form. Phenol, also called as carboxylic acid, is one of the oldest antiseptic agents. Soap containing phenol-based compounds is often called carboxyl soap. It has been used as antiseptics during surgery, and it provides effective low-cost hygiene to poverty-stricken communities. Plant-based compounds containing phenols are known to be antioxidant. They can prevent damage to your DNA as well as long-term health effects. Phenol is trichloroacetic acid penin- is used to penetrate through layers of skin to get rid of old or damaged skin. Phenol derived butylate hydroxytoluene (BHT) is known FDA approved preservative used in cosmetic and to keep food from falling. Now Chavi will continue.
I'm going to explain cresol structure and uses. Cresols are organic compounds which are also known as hydroxytoluene or methylphenols. The cresols are solid or liquid depends upon temperature. On long exposure to air, they are oxidized and the impurities oftenly gives cresols a yellowish to brown red tint. Cresols have characteristic odor like phenols. In cresol, in cresol structure, methyl group is substituted on the ring of phenol. There are three isomers of cresol, that is O-cresol, M-cresol, and P-cresol. The mixture of these isomers of cresol is called as tricresol. Cresol is extracted from coal tar or synthetically produced by methylation of phenol or hydrolysis of chlorotoluenes. Now the uses of cresol. Cresol is used in chlorination and etherification. Alkylation of O-cresol gives gravacrol, which is a strong antibacterial agent. O-cresol is used in synthesis of muscle relaxant drug Mefenacine. Picresol is used in the production of butylated hydroxytoluene (BHT), which is an antioxidant. Picresol is used in synthesis of bupranolol, which is a non-selective beta blocker. M-cresol is a precursor for various compounds such as phenytophthorine and phenethione used as pesticides. Synthetic vitamin E, amyl metacresol used as antiseptic, a solvent for polymers, preservative in some insulin, toliprolol, and tolamolol are beta adrenergic antagonistic. Chloroamprisol is used as household disinfectant. Now the further part will be explained by my friend Manya.
Resorcinol. Its IUPAC name is benzene 1,3-diol. Its molecular formula is C6H6O2. It has a benzene structure with two OH group attached to its first and third position, that is para and meta position. Its molecular weight is 110.1 gram per mole. Melting point is 110 degree Celsius. Uses of resorcinol. Resorcinol is used as a disinfectant or an antiseptic in pharmaceutical products. It is used to treat skin infections such as dermatitis or acne. It is used in manufacturing of resins. It is an analytical reagent used to determine the quality of ketosis. Resinol works by helping to remove hard, scaly, or roughened skin. It is used as an adhesive. Resorcinol is both strong and, more importantly, very waterproof. It makes it effective for use in boats or humid environments as moisture does not affect resorcinol adhesives. The tire industry has used resorcinol in rubber adhesives because it has a bonding property. It bonds materials such as rayon, nylon, fiberglass, or steel. Other example of this bonding includes conveyor belts and pneumatic or hydraulic hoses. The further part will be explained by my friend Ayushi.
Now let's see naphthol structure and uses. First of all, we'll see there are two isomers of naphthol. One is alpha naphthol, that is, we can say 1 naphthol, or IUPAC name, we can say naphthalene 1-ol. Here, OH group, that is alcoholic group, is on para position, and second is beta-naphthol, that is 2-naphthol. Here, OH group, that is alcoholic group, is on ortho position. These were some points on structure. Now let us see uses of naphthol. In the beginning, 1 naphthol uses. 1 naphthol is a precursor to a variety of insecticides, including carbaryl, and pharmaceuticals, including Nodolo, as well as for the antidepressant sertraline and the anti-protozoan therapeutic aquatinone. 1 naphthol undergoes azocoupling to give various azodyes. 1 naphthol is used in each of the following chemical tests. From this, we can see two. One is Mollis test gives a red or purple color compound to indicate the presence of carbohydrate. The Sagakuruchi test turns red to indicate the presence of arginine in proteins. Now let us see 2-naphthol uses. 2-naphthol is a widely used intermediate for the production of dyes and other compounds. The southern dyes are popular dyes noted for being soluble in organic solvents. Several of the southern dyes are derived from 2-naphthol by coupling with diazonium salts. Southern dyes 1 to 4 and southern red G are as substituted naphthols. 2-naphthol has several other uses including pigments, fats, oils, insecticides, pharmaceuticals, perfumes, antiseptics, synthesis of fungicides, and antioxidants of rubber. Here we all conclude. Thank you.